Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Not sure what's in here, but it is actually from a person who recently sent something that I unboxed. So thank you again, Tim, for sending this. Thank you also to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, let's go ahead and make a quick cut. This is likely something someone sent in response to my recent community post about knives for review, which is great. I'm glad that you guys do that and respond to it. It's really cool. Okay, I think we have a Benchmade, yeah. What do we have? Oh, I know what this is because it says it right on the box. And you guys already know because I've likely made some flashy thumbnail that shows the knife. So, this is the M4 Bailout, which, and it has the aluminum scales. That's part of the reason why I was so interested. Yeah, this is, I like this way more than the standard version of the Bailout with the, well, first they did this, you know, their floppy, not that 3V is a bad steel, but Benchmade, it doesn't make, their heat treat was apparently poor on it, and also in this geometry, it doesn't make a lot of sense. I don't know if M4 makes perfect sense, but I think it makes a lot more sense in this geometry than 3V. And honestly, I kind of like the Bailout. Truthfully, I'm not a huge fan of the Bailout or Bug Out. And it's mainly because it's very lightweight and very thin. That's not specifically my style, despite me, you know, I fully understand how great, you know, like the profile is, you know, in terms of EDC, right? It's nice and lightweight. I hate the standard scales that come on the Bug Out. That's no secret. I've made that very known. I just hate how cheap they feel. I understand it's, you know, ultra lightweight. I like things to feel a little more solid. So I was on board with the idea of the aircraft aluminum on this. I like the Tanto blade on this guy, and I also like the idea of it being M4. Benchmade has always done a great job with their, what are we doing here, camera? Benchmade has always done a great job with, what? It just really doesn't want to zero in on that finish. Benchmade does a great job with their M4. Look at this finish. That's interesting. I don't know that I've seen that finish from Benchmade before. In any case, this is cool. I'm actually pretty excited to take a look at this. I've now got the 20CV Bug Out and the M4 Bailout in my possession, and I might do a head-to-head, you know, considering these are the two best versions of each knife, in my opinion, as far as, like, the production versions. I will link this guy right down in the description. I will also link Benchmade knives in general. If you are new to Benchmade knives or you just haven't taken a look in a little bit, I'll link everything, you know, through the retailers that I work with, everything that's available. And you guys can check that out. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Tim, I'm glad you sent this to me. I kind of knew, you know, once I realized, I mean, honestly, I would have looked at it either way in, you know, like if it was just in Grivery, but I really piqued my interest knowing that it was in a more solid, at least to the touch, feeling scale construction, right? This is just an unboxing. There's a lot of new people. I appreciate everybody flooding in and subscribing. That's really great. A lot of new people to my channel. Just so everybody knows, this is not a review. This is an unboxing. I'm experiencing the knife for the very first time. I'm not reviewing it right out of the box. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense. I'm going to have it for a couple of weeks, and then I will do a full detailed review on it. My subscribers, you know, have been around for a while. They know that, but there's people, it seems like, I mean, it's understandable, right? If you're new, it's like, what is he doing? This wasn't much of a review. Yeah, just an unboxing, just me kind of giving some thoughts on it, right, you know, fresh out of the box, me experiencing it for the first time, but you'll get a full detailed review of this guy here in a couple of weeks after I've had a chance to, you know, play with it a little bit. Anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.